Today's video, let's learn how to change language on Amazon. If you want to change your language other than English, then you can easily do it within a few steps. Open up your Amazon app, and from the home screen, tap on the three lines that you see on the bottom right, and then tap on settings. From the settings section, tap on country and languages, and you'll see three options: country, language, and currency. Tap on the language option and choose the language that you want to change to. Once you tap in the language, you can see the language has been changed. Now all you do is tap on this button and all of the language on your Amazon app will be changed. So that was a quick and easy video on changing your language on Amazon. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna soon be back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.